Hello, this video is on how to resubmit work into Canvas. Let's say you submitted something and oops, you forgot your response comment, or man, you don't like the grade you got, so you want to add more and submit something else. So let me show you how to do that. Right now I am in 7th grade, but it applies to any grade, any assignment, anywhere on Canvas. I'm going to click week 2 as an example, and let's say this set, I messed up on this set. Let's just say I'm going to submit it accidentally. Oh man, I completely forgot to add a photograph of my work. Well, it's making me attach something. So let's say I attached this on accident and it was the wrong image, or something's wrong with it. I don't know what, but I need to fix it. So this is what you do. Whenever you mess up, first of all, you need to open up the Canvas assignment. So if I went off and did something else and then I realized it was wrong, or I got a bad grade, I'm going to go back in and open up that assignment, set 1 making lines, and it tells you right here it's submitted. So what you want to do, let me move the recording window over. What you want to do is right after it says submitted, you're going to click submission details. And this is where you make your additional things. You can add a comment. I forgot one's drawing, or you can do your response. The title of my work is whatever you need to add in. You can add in a comment here, and then you can also attach a file. Choose a file. This time make sure you pick the right one. Let's say I'm going to add this one. Add it in and save it. It's that easy. And the thing I like about this is it's all together with your assignment. I can see your corrections and everything all together in one, and nothing gets lost. That's how you do it. So hopefully this answers your question. Bye.